Workplace discrimination claims are one of the easiest to avoid of the claims that are out there for employers if you do things the proper way. Making sure that you have anti-discrimination and anti-retaliation policies in your employee handbook that you're updating on an annual basis is just the starting point. You must make sure that you're training your managers, your directors, your leadership team on a regular basis so that they understand that you have a culture that is dedicated to providing a workplace free of harassment on a day-to-day basis. Why? Because your managers are your eyes, your ears, and most importantly, your mouthpiece. More times than not, we see discrimination claims arise because a manager says something out of context, non-intentional, possibly as a joke, and they are taken to heart by the employee, and it becomes the kernel of truth that builds into a much bigger problem in a discrimination claim down the road. So if you train your managers well to make sure that they're thoughtful about what they say and how they say it to their employees, that will be the first step in making sure that you are preventing claims of discrimination in the future. At Koegle Law Group, on top of revising policies, procedures, and protocols for our clients, we also regularly provide on-the-job training for your managers and supervisors. This can include sexual harassment prevention training, generalized discrimination and retaliation training, making sure that your managers understand what the laws are, what the company policies are, and what the best practices are when they're faced with conflict in the workplace that could later turn into a discrimination claim. My job is to get you back to doing what you do best so that you can allow me to do what I do best for your benefit. Contact Koegle Law Group today at 661-362-0813.